is it? You know you can do Morse code with that. Nobody don't even know you're talking. Morse code, isn't it? Oh, people don't know what Morse code is. I forgot. I must be old. Oh my gosh. Morse code is when people understand words by the single tapping of a device. So, like letter A might be, and letter B might be, and E might be. So then when you put it together, it's like, right? So when you're on your walkie-talkie and you're like, copy, you don't want anybody to hear you, use Morse code. And it'll be on the side of the walkie-talkie and you give it some taps. This was an ancient device made long ago when I lived in the pyramids.